Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Today we've got something exciting and essential for every cat owner out there. Raw cat food. But wait, what exactly is raw cat food, and why is it creating such a buzz in the cat world? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to uncover the Purrfect cat secrets. Have you ever wondered what our feline friends' ancestors dined on in the wild? It wasn't kibble, I can tell you that. Raw cat food is all about bringing our cats back to their natural, ancestral diet. And here's the kicker. It's more than just a trend. It's a game changer for your cat's health. Raw cat food can lead to shinier fur, more energy, healthier teeth, and even fewer trips to the vet. Who wouldn't want that for their fur baby? Trust me, it's easier than you think, and your cat will thank you for it. So what's in this culinary delight? We're talking about fresh, high-quality ingredients like lean meats, organ meats, and bone. It's all about the right balance. The secret sauce is in the ratios. But don't worry, we've got a simple recipe coming up that's bound to make your kitty's taste buds dance with joy. Now that you're all pumped up about the benefits of raw cat food, let's dive into a simple yet delicious recipe your cat will adore. We're going to make Chicken Delight, a raw cat food recipe that's a breeze to prepare. Here's what you'll need. First, grab 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 4 ounces of chicken liver, and 4 ounces of chicken hearts. You'll also need a 1/4 cup of water, 1 egg, including the shell, a 1/4 teaspoon of fish oil for those omega-3s, and for extra nutrients, a pinch of cat-safe powdered multivitamin. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of taurine supplement, recommended for balanced nutrition. Now here's how you put it all together. Start by placing all the ingredients into your food processor or blender. That's the chicken, liver, hearts, water, egg with shell, fish oil, taurine supplement, and optional multivitamin. If your kitty loves veggies, add 1/2 cup of pureed vegetables like carrots or peas. Blend everything until it's super smooth and consistent. You might need to scrape down the sides to make sure it's all mixed in. Now let's portion it out. You can use ice cube trays or silicone molds for easy serving sizes. Pop these into the freezer and you're all set. See how easy that was? You've just whipped up a batch of homemade raw cat food that your feline friend will love. When it's time to serve, simply thaw a portion in the fridge for a few hours, and make sure it's at room temperature before presenting it to your kitty. And there you have it. Your cat gets the ultimate dining experience, and you get the satisfaction of knowing you're providing them with the best. So give it a try and watch your fur baby relish every bite. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more fantastic cat care tips.